Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to answer the question: is the application for your speaker SOUNDCORE Motion 100 available for your iPhone? So I already installed and set up the application what SOUNDCORE offer for the speaker. It's called SOUNDCORE. If we open it, we can check list with supported devices. Need to click at device, then let's click at the you can right here you can select anything, but I just wanna click at the speaker icon. Then we need to click setup manually, and our model is Motion 100, so we need to scroll down in the speaker. We need to find Motion series. Right here we have it. Click on it, and right here already I see at the right top our speaker, so my short answer is yes, the application available for your iPhone. Now, if you don't know how to install and set up this application or how to add this speaker to the app, you can check these videos at this channel. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!